Welcome back. I am standing in front of a black sapote tree, also known as the chocolate pudding fruit. This is one of my favorite fruits. It's a member of the persimmon family, but it's interesting. It's like persimmons. You gotta wait until it ripens up and gets soft, or else it's terrible. It's a tree that you have to pick and enjoy at the right time, or you try it at the wrong time and you'll never want one again, like people with astringent persimmons. This tree here I planted maybe 6 or 7 years ago. It was a really sad, root-bound specimen, yellow leaves. I cut the roots away, put it in the ground here. We took care of it, and now it's at least 8 or 9 feet, and it is loaded with fruit. There's fruit all over it. I've been eating it since I got here, and put one of these suckers in the refrigerator. And you pick them green, when they're kind of green-yellow. Leave them on the counter until they start to get soft. Then stick them in the refrigerator and you can spoon it out. And it's a lot like eating kind of a light chocolate cake, but it doesn't leave you feeling terrible afterwards. Great tree. It's totally a tropical though, so if you live farther north, you're kind of out of luck. But if you're in South Florida, Hawaii, the tropics, Caribbean, wherever, chocolate pudding fruit, the black sapote, one of my very favorites.